Agility Radio proper, en route for new adventures. And yeah, you may have noticed I did buy the Toyota LJ70, so awesome 4x4. And we are going today to the Caussols Plateau, which is a weird place, I've heard. Supposedly people have seen UFOs over there, so I don't know, we'll see. And Patrick is in front of me here asking for directions. Those little villages in the mountains are amazing. It's a really beautiful region, I have to say. Whoa, look at this place. So I do have a bunch of new radios coming up. I have a CB for this car, a President Grant 2, which is, it's on the way. And also I have a VRM 5080, which is a tank radio. It's a big, clunky, 20-pound box, 30 to 76 megahertz, I believe. Just like the PRC 351, but it's a tank radio, and that's gonna be FM only, of course, 6 meter FM. I wish I had my PRC 320, but I left it in Lille, so I'll have to get it sometime. So for this trip, I'm gonna be using the Weber MTR, and that's Morse code only radio. Shepherd and his flock of sheep. On est au Serga.
Les Serga, c'est une annexe de l'observatoire de Nice. C'est là où ils tirent sur la Lune au laser. Il y a certaines coupoles qui s'ouvrent et il y a un laser qui pointe la Lune. Parce qu'ici, on est exempt de tout brouillage luminaire.
Ah oui.
Bonjour Roger, c'est Patrick, sur le plateau de Caussols, à 1000 et quelques mètres d'altitude, 1120.
Ah ok, 73 Patrick, sur le plateau de Caussols. 1120 mètres. Voilà, je suis avec Thierry de Nice. Il y a Fred
Formidable.
de Fréjus, il y a Pierre des Arcs, un pointillé derrière aussi. Et puis d'autres stations. Bernard, il y a Laurent aussi, je passe de Nice. Voilà, Patrick, retour micro.
Bien reçu, Roger. Est-ce que Thierry me reçoit, Thierry de Nice, pour Patrick, QTH, le plateau de Caussols, au Serga, l'observatoire.
So we have the observatory here, and as Patrick was saying, they have a laser that they shoot on the moon to measure the distance here if it's changing. Awesome view.
Est-ce que tu as vu le film Star Wars?
Ouais.
Je sais pas, mais c'est bizarre.
Je pensais que ça peut être ouvert.
Non, non.
And once again I will be using the QRP-Guys Tri-band antenna. Here's the antenna installed. G4 UDG G4 UDG QRP G4 UDG. PSIK. Et ça y est, je l'ai. So many people. He heard me though. Wow, that was quick. Oh, jeez. Not even 73. Fred. Fred en Allemagne. Ah oui.
Je suis arrivé sur lui, il était 59. J'ai écouté 59 et après sur cette direction j'ai écouté 49 également. 49.
Ouais, je sais pas, je vais revoir.
Par contre, vraiment, je suis peut-être un peu curieux. Hein.
À côté de du village de Caussols. Ok, tu passes très bien.
Tu peux me redonner ton indicatif?
Il parle en anglais.
Il parlait en anglais?
Ouais. K1RM.
C'est quoi, un américain?
K1RM, yeah. An American guy. c'est le plan américain là. JM, good morning. Ah oui. So pretty good day, quite a few contacts, and too bad there was a guy from the US, but I wasn't able to get him. So we're gonna call it a day, and that's about it for today. You can see the installation here. Oh, you can see my new car. Yep, that's the Toyota Land Cruiser, guys, and it's awesome. And that's about it. We're gonna pack up and go, and well, until next time, have a good one.